Welcome to Lily's World. Today I will be unboxing extra batteries for my GoPro Hero 8. I got this from Amazon. It was just delivered yesterday. Actually, that's it. It's a big box with this tiny box inside. They also have a warranty card here. This is the charger, the power cable, first battery, second battery, and the third one. The name of the company is Vimico. Yeah. So comparison, this is the original GoPro battery. I just took out the original battery. I also have 3 batteries here, the original ones. No, I got 6. So I won't run out of batteries. It's not giving me a warning that it's like a third-party battery that is not compatible, so that's a good thing. Also, I want to compare the battery charger here. Okay, the back part, that's where you plug in this one. Okay, plugs in, open it up. There it is. I just got a power bank here. We'll make sure that there are no issues. Physically, it looks fine. Okay. They said there should be a blue light, check. And there are 3 red lights at the front, meaning they're charging. This is the original GoPro battery charger. Let's see if these are fully charged. The batteries are not sticking out. Okay. 1 is fully charged, that's why it's green. I'm gonna take that out. It's orange, so we'll charge this too. I'm going to test making sure that all batteries are okay, that they're powering up my GoPro. This is the original GoPro battery. It's at 97%, so I'm gonna use it a little bit until it reaches 93%, and that's when we start our timer. My setting is at 4K, and I will keep the same settings. I will make sure that I don't change it when I test this third-party battery. While we wait for this battery to reach 93%, I want to introduce to you an adapter that I really find useful for MacBook Pro, because we got the USB-C connector, right? The connector is also like this, but my issue was the other end. It's called a USB-A. So it's okay if we use like a power bank, it's fine. And then Windows PC, it's fine. But if you want to connect it to your MacBook Pro, that's an issue. So I found this one on Amazon and it's really, really good. And I want to recommend this to you. The name of the company is Syntec. It's USB-C to USB OTG adapter. It only comes in two. And I can really say that the quality is well made. It's well made. It's really good. So one side, you plug in this end, and then it connects to your MacBook. Yeah. And I never had any issues with this one. I've been using this for like a few weeks now. Now I'm able to connect my GoPro data cable into my MacBook Pro. I will link in the description below. You will see how much it costs if you need more information. So I still have my iPhone 5C here. It's cute. So this is gonna be my setup. I'm gonna be testing the GoPro Hero 8, the original battery for now, the first one, and I will take a video of the timer and see how long it lasts. Yep, that's the original battery. All right, let's just do a 10-minute test on this battery. It's at 81%. Once that hits 10 minutes, I will stop, and let's see where it stops here. And I'm gonna do the same for the other one. All right, it stops at 80%. So now I'm going to be testing this Vimico battery. I'm going to do the same thing, test it for 10 minutes. Same setup, same everything. As a reminder, I have this in the background so you know what I'm testing. %. 10 minutes is stopped at 72%. Okay guys, it actually says on Amazon, warm tip, please run out of all battery power before charging for the first time. So we shouldn't have charged them for the first time. About this Vimico batteries, I would say it really depends on what you want. I think if you want to be able to charge 3 batteries simultaneously, this is great. About the battery usage, we have a comparison and it's a matter of, I would say it's probably like 5% difference. I don't know if that's a big deal to you. To me, it's not. It's not that it's original, it's the best. It also drains battery fast. I think it's just the GoPro Hero 8 itself. Even if you're using original accessories, it also gets hot and it drains the battery fast. So I think it's just how GoPro Hero 8 is, and I think it depends on your settings. If you're using 4K, it will drain battery faster than when you are using HD settings. It's affordable, you got 3, and the convenience is what I like about this. This is just really expensive. It's I think it's $20 each. But this one, you can get all 3 with the charger for $35.99. I'm also happy that they included containers for the batteries. So I think it's worth it.